Hey guys, back to the video. Today we are playing some Roblox. We are going to be joining one of my friends most of the time, like always.
Stop.
They are playing the chill elevator.
It's the flamingo elevator.
It says the chill elevator.
It is chill.
Sutart, the chill elevator.
Okay, but this is made for flamingo. The
And
YouTuber. I feel like this was. Can you check what it was made by? No. Motomoko like you. Motomoto is taking you. I like him big. I like him chunky. Oh no. It took Ogla. I wonder what happened to poor Ogla. 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 What are we doing? No. I'm more chill. No, it took away my chill because I reset. It's Earth from Sally. Here is easy from Florida to Cali. I wish there was actual music. Earth from Sally flying through the air. But I don't really care. I'm a barber. I'll do your hair. Wait, that's the fully version. That's the full version of Earthworm Sally. Everybody likes the video, except me because I can't like videos. OMG, I love this. Somebody said, OMG, I love this. Where's Cagnos?
I'm right
Hi,
here.
I'm Sutart. I get lost. Sutart saw creepy. Oh no. Don't show us creepy. What that sound? Sutart is no more. But as a gift, I will give you all his bacon. Ew, his bacon. Hold up, let me see if his bacon is fresh. His bacon isn't fresh. He's lied. He said his bacon is fresh. How do you get that music? How do you not hear that going down? Kayla, don't do it.
I'm gonna stay in this elevator.
You have to stay in the elevator. Come on. No, you have to come in this elevator. Hurry. To live, you have to come over here.
I went down.
Yeah, you have to go on the chill bird.
I went down. I'm on an escalator.
I knew it.
This is so cringy.
Ah!
This is so cringy.
Oh, I'm singing on this.
That is so cringy though.
I was. You're getting off?
But I was busy thinking about boys. I was busy dreaming about
Bye. See you tomorrow.
See ya.
Hello, people of Roblox. I am Miguel.
Why are there so many Oglas?
I don't know how they got the. Don't do it, Mario. No. No. Bad.
Me, Mario.
No, bad Mario. I went to see. Oh no. They're gonna try to do it. Oh no. Are we doing this right? I don't have I wish we could do it too.
Oh, certain people get picked.
No one got picked. Can I have Ruby? Yeah. I want to be blessed with skills. I can't move. No, I wasn't blessed with chill.
You have to still for face.
Oh my divine, I swear to you that I will come. I will promise you that I will return. I cannot get that note. I cannot get that paper.
No more. It's me. Guinea pig. Different, but I'm going to different movie. Let's go now, friends. Goodbye.
No! This is heaven. This is a box of heaven if you didn't notice. My friend to bring a wrist to join.
Being orange, we're in love. Look at us. Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. And every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. What, Jose?
Oof. What?
F is for fire that burns down the whole town. Use for uranium bombs. N is for no survivors. When you
Why is he so fat?
That's his character. Chill. It's me, Flamingo. Chill, chill. I'm dying. This is a sad story. Sad story about me. Me! Okay, let's start. Here was my boy. His name's Plutarch. Plutarch had a boy mom. My mom was Plutarch's dad. Wait. I thought the story was about me. There was me. Me, boy, mom was dad. It's
sad because they can't see each other. What was that? That's not sad.
Wait, take me to the manger here. We need equal rights for all employees. We need cows and dead cows to be represented. Hey Olga. Yes, Phil. Olga, I think it is time. I think we need to break up. Oh my god, Phil, I never would have expected this. I'm about to have a baby. We're about to have a baby. Olga, I don't love you anymore. What about our baby? I don't care. Please, Phil, one last kiss before I go. Okay, here comes the choo-choo train, homeboy.
Next time we can go inside the thingy, I'm gonna push Ogla out.
There's like 15 Oglas in here.
Stop moving the Ogla. I need to push her out. Right, you.
Hello, ma'am. Will you help me find my son? His name is Samuel. Will you please help me find him? No, sorry, I'm working. His name is Samuel. She's
Dang, this thing is so loud, I can't hear mine.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Turn it down, it's so loud, I can't hear mine.
Stop. Now I can actually do the parkour. Yes. Yes.
Someone sent me from request in the middle of me doing this hobby.
No!
You call this hobby easy? It is hard.
It's hard for you.
What do you mean? What part are you at?
What part do you think I'm at?
I don't know.
No, I didn't touch it. It's only 7 seconds left. Yeah, I've made it the furthest. Further than everybody. Dash me.
If I was in Minecraft, I would be crouching right now.
Go crazy. Ah, go stupid. Ah, go crazy. Go stupid. Ah, go crazy. Yeah. Go stupid. Go crazy. Stupid.
What's he doing with his hands, bro? Still stupid.
What is this? What is this song?
Chill. That was a sad story, Chill Burger. We have to escape the obby.
Dang, so many people are walking in my fall. So it's like flood escape. If you die, you are out.
Where are you even supposed to go from there? Oh, you go to. Wait, that didn't touch him. It makes everybody go bye-bye. Right now, if I was on computer, I'd probably make it to chill. The flamingo's chill. He's still
Why you cry over a hamburger? Olga. I would change it to face cam right now.
I am Moto.
You.
Andy forever.
Moto. I like them big. I like chunky.
What did he do?
He took a person.
I know, where's the person? Wait,
There's like 5 ovals in a line. In the middle of the oval. Please.
It's Earthworm Sally, curing diseases from Florida to Cali. From Florida to Cali. Earthworm Sally, flying through the air. I'm an earthworm, but I don't really care. I'm a barber, I'll do your hair.
Guys, move. I'm trying to make the old ones go. They need to let it go.
Oh, dang. My rubber band that holds my hair. The rubber band that holds my hair in a ponytail is pop.
New turn. No. Alright.
I'm gonna put that spot.
I can't move the ogre in the back. Can you help me?
I can't even get his band. I can't even get it. I don't know.
It's the one that's like.
Going down. I'm going down with it.
I have to push an Ogla. Come out. Push an Ogla.
I can't get in, so you can get the bird.
I put Ogla in.
To Jurassic Park.
I'm trying to push down all the Oglas while y'all are playing.
Look at this cool bird I found. Dang it.
Come on, we need help me put the old ones.
Oh my gosh. So much.
Oh no, Caleb, get ready for an earring.
Look.
It's me, Mario.
Hello, people of Roblox.
We already have enough. Well, I think every stage we lose an Ogla too. Ogla, why do you gotta be so fast? Oh, please.
Stop pushing Ogla.
I don't have a clue. Are we doing this right?
No, are we doing this right? Help me push Oglas.
They're not gonna move. I can't push them.
No, you just push them from the
I've only been recording for 16 minutes. Bum, 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 bum. That's
Stay sharp.
That's why the switcher.
Stay sharp. Stay
I
sharp.
still have
Stay
it from
sharp.
the last round.
Stay sharp. Stay sharp.
Yay, we got 2 Oglas out.
I've been blessed with chills. You can keep pushing Oglas out.
Yay, we got 2 out.
2 gone.
Let's go. Junior, another Ogla slime. I'm trying to push a few out so people get out the elevator. Look, see me? I'm pushing 2 Oglas. There's 2 stuck in the corner right there. Get them.
Bro, move out of that. Thank you.
Great, we got a new Ogla.
Me and Orange, we're in love. Look at us. Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. And every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. What, Jose?
Kiva, push Oglas.
Hey guys, like and subscribe. Also thumbs up and comment, and I will be seeing you guys later. Bye.